something interesting here before the train gets here. No, there's a lot of rust on the rails, but it was just a few days, it's just a week or so ago they put those tank cars there. Apparently, I guess they're still unloading them. They were back in the day. Well, I want to say back in the day, but when that many years ago, there's a little Billy here in the company that was unloading tank cars in the trucks. I don't know if it's propane or nitroglycerin or what. It might be propane. I'm not 100% sure exactly what they're unloading there, but they're unloading something. Somebody else told me nitroglycerin. I know it's not crude oil because they don't bring crude oil up here. But there's the train. Up there's the tunnel, just around the curves of the tunnel, but I can't get close enough to the tunnel to film from this end. This is the closest I can get and be safe while filming. They're probably blowing at me because I'm standing here. Are they? There it goes. Walking toward the there of the train going by. let me go. They're stopping. Okay. There was a set of red engines on the back of here, the RJ Corman engines. I don't know where they went. They must have took them. They must have stopped for a minute to take them off. Because they're certainly not here right now. Somebody walks at the new factory up here. Well, while I'm at them, we'll see. I hear the red engines behind me. They're coming too. Yeah, there they come too as well. The RJ Corman took the red engines, the little red engines off. I want to look and see if there's been any trains up that side spur lately. I better hurry. Let's see. Yeah, they are running up there again. I can see a little bit of polish on the rails. Not a huge amount, but they are running trains up there again apparently. Let me get out of the way for the next train. They used to run stuff like that all the time for Georgia Pacific. Back when Georgia Pacific was here. Now it's carbon, the active carbon and related surface. In the words of Jawtooth, but wait, there's more. Now I'm not going to start doing that in most of my videos because I don't want to take from somebody else's video. Although I think he does that in every video he does. Okay. They stopped. I hear them, but apparently they're not coming. Okay, they might actually be picking up some of those tank cars back there. That might be why he took the red engines off. So maybe there won't be more in this video. I'll wait a minute or two and see.